When Marie was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis and she had tremendous fatigue, and we had to rent a wheelchair one time. I thought, this is ridiculous. There has to be something better than a wheelchair. So I made some sketches and drawings and found an electrical engineer, and he really helped a lot putting this idea together. First one was pretty crude, but it worked.
From a disabled person's point of view, it is so refreshing I grew up in a wheelchair. I grew up with artificial legs. I grew up with all the stereotypes, you know, that we were called cripple, right? There was all these words that defined us as this thing instead of people. And then when you've got a product like this, you're up high, you're at eye level with people. People look and talk to you differently than when you're down low in a wheelchair. That's the biggest thing I noticed right from the get-go.
It's his lifetime, but I also think of the impact that he has made in other people's lifetimes. And I can't say it without getting emotional, because we've touched so many people's lives. And I'm so proud of him, the person he is, but the company he created.
Now, in hindsight and looking back, I'm very humbled to know that I have been given the opportunity to change so many people's lives.